This video will cover how to redeem Friends with Benefits loyalty points online. Start by going to consonant.com. In the bottom left-hand corner, click the Friends with Benefits tab. Click Sign In. Using the email associated with your account, sign in. If you've never connected your in-store and online accounts, type in your email and click Forgot Your Password. Follow the prompts to connect these accounts and set up a password. Once you have a password, add it and click Sign In. You can now view your account details and past order history. Click the Friends with Benefits tab once again to view your points balance. When you'd like to redeem your points, click Redeem. This will generate a unique coupon code to paste into your cart at checkout. Highlight this and click Copy. You can continue shopping, and when you're done, go to your cart, go to checkout, and where it says gift cards or discount code, paste your unique code into this space and click Apply. You'll now see the discount applied to your cart where you've redeemed your loyalty points. You will also be emailed this code to use at a later date. Continue with your shipping information and your payment method and check out as usual.